Okay, sorry, I just got out of the shower. And for Christmas this year, I got this hairdryer. I had a hairdryer, hold on. Okay, I just broke off the plastic piece, but that's okay. Anyways, it's like the brush thing, you know? So, I've never used it, let's try to use it. So I got it plugged in. I also turned on my lights, but it didn't make a difference at all. Hold on a second. Okay, I got a little tangled there. Anyways, here it is. So this on. Is this broken? How do you work? So I threw away the instructions a while ago. So I don't really know how this works. Hold up. I got the box. Oh! That doesn't help. So she might be broken. Do I need to do something else? Sorry. Okay, I had to fuck around with it, and I. That's so fucking cool. Okay, so. Okay. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's bad. Okay, I think I'm gonna be using this a lot more. I'm really happy. That was so fast too. It took me like 10 minutes to blow dry my hair. Which it might be just because I have short hair now and I haven't been blow drying it. But like, oh my goodness. It's so perfect. Okay, yeah, that was all. Okay, bye bye.